Hi, and welcome to the Espresso English podcast, where you can improve your English in just a few minutes a day. My name is Shayna, and I'm the teacher at Espresso English. Make sure to visit the website espressoenglish.net, where you can get online courses and ebooks that will help you learn English even faster. Let's get started with today's lesson.
April 1st is an informal holiday known as April Fool's Day. People celebrate by playing jokes and trying to trick people in funny and harmless ways. You might be wondering about this word, fool. How is it used in English? I'll teach you all about it in today's lesson. First, let's work on the pronunciation. Fool has an oo sound, the same as in food and rude. It's different from the word full, which has an sound, like the same as in pull. It's a very small difference. Fool, full. Fool is both a noun and a verb. As a verb, it means to deceive or trick someone, to make them believe something that isn't true. For example, sometimes kids pretend to be sick in order to fool their parents into letting them stay home from school. It's also common to say when someone attempts deception, but they're not fooling anybody, meaning their deception isn't working. For example, a woman who wears big fake diamond jewelry but is always asking her friends for money. She's pretending to be rich, but she's not fooling anybody. It's obvious she's not really rich. So the verb fool means to deceive or trick someone. The word fool as a noun refers to a person who doesn't have good judgment, is rather stupid, and does things that are not wise. For example, a guy who buys a new car and immediately drives too fast and crashes it into a tree. He could be described as a fool. Remember, calling someone a fool is similar to calling the person an idiot. It is an insult and it would be considered offensive, so be careful about applying this label to people. We also have the adjective foolish to describe things that lack good sense or good judgment. For example, he made the foolish decision to drop out of college in his final semester with $100,000 of student loan debt. So that decision was not very smart. It was foolish. Finally, there's the phrasal verb fool around. This has a couple of different meanings, and we understand which one is being used depending on the context. So one meaning for fool around is to act casual and silly, not being serious or productive. So if all your coworkers are chatting about last night's sports game and showing each other vacation pictures, your manager might say, "Stop fooling around and get back to work." Another meaning, when we say someone was fooling around with someone else, means to have casual sexual activity, often with someone who is not the main romantic partner. For example, Sally divorced her husband Joe because he was fooling around with a woman he met at the gym. This means Joe was having a casual sexual relationship with the other woman. So that's our overview of the word fool. Fool as a verb means to deceive or trick someone. Fool as a noun is a stupid person without good sense. The adjective foolish describes things that lack good sense or judgment, and the phrasal verb fool around can mean to act casual and silly or to have a casual sexual relationship with someone. If you want to learn lots more English words to build up your vocabulary, come check out my vocabulary builder courses. You can find them at my website, espressoenglish.net.
If you want more great English lessons, visit espressoenglish.net, where you can sign up by email to receive a free ebook with 500 plus real English phrases. You'll also find online courses to help you improve your English fast, even if you don't have much time to study. Keep practicing your English, and I hope you have a wonderful day.